Hello, I'm Lisa Nolan from Aslan Coaching.
And I'm Maria Macklin from House of Colour.
Great leaders have a few things in common. One of them is gravitas, which is a presence that people respect and want to follow. Without gravitas, executives can struggle to lead, and a leader without followers is someone taking a lonely walk. Here are some ways to develop gravitas. The first is emotional intelligence, which is the ability to read a situation accurately and to regulate your own emotions. The second is to convey calm in your tone and body language. If there is a crisis, people who follow you will glance at you to check how you are reacting. If you remain and look calm, they will remain calm. The third is good communication, so make sure your speaking voice is calm, clear and confident. Use a diverse vocabulary while still using plain English so you don't leave anyone behind, and don't use bad language. Good leaders drop their voice and speak at a reasonable pace, not too quickly.
Gravitas is seriousness and dignity. You might try to speak with gravitas, but no one will take you seriously if you're wearing clown makeup and giant floppy shoes. Gravitas is a Latin word that means weight or heaviness. It came to mean a figurative weight after gravity acquired a primarily scientific meaning. A biography of Abraham Lincoln will inevitably be full of gravitas, and places like libraries, museums and university buildings seem to have gravitas, or dignity, while grocery stores and gyms usually do not. Orange is one of my best colours. I look healthy, bright-eyed, uplifted. But, and this is important, I don't look powerful and authoritative. Orange is a wonderful colour for a casual look, but it doesn't do formality, and it certainly doesn't do business, at least not for me. Chestnut brown does. It's important to know your best formal and business colours, even though you may not be a corporate executive, or need to carry authority in your working position, or even be in business at all. There are times for all of us when we absolutely need to be taken seriously. You can appreciate that for me, a classic gamine, who has always looked younger than I am, it has always been a bit of a challenge. Sure, it's important to understand your best colours, and it is also important to understand which of those give you gravitas, so you will be taken seriously when you need to be. Our workshop, Confidence Inside and Out, will give you all that and more. Contact either Lisa or myself to get that information.